अस्सलाम-ओ-अलैकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू RSB IDEAS। सो आज की वीडियो में हम बनाने जा रहे हैं मज़ेदार चिकन ब्रेड। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Put some water on boil and then add some chicken. While boiling, cover this. Now we are making the dough of the chicken bread. Now add 1/3 cup sugar. Add half cup oil. Now add half tablespoon baking powder. Now add pinch of baking soda. Add half cup milk. Now mix it. Now cover this and put this aside for 1.5 hours. The chicken has boiled, take it out and put this aside until it cools. Save this water, we will use this later. After the onions are golden brown, add cabbage. After adding the cabbage, add carrots and capsicum. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add half teaspoon of Chinese salt. Add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Add half teaspoon of Cumin seeds. Add 1 tablespoon black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon white pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of mango powder known as Ambchor. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. Add 1 teaspoon of chili garlic ketchup. Now we are adding our mashed chicken. Now add 2 tablespoons of flour. Now add your chicken water. Now add 1 tablespoon of chili garlic ketchup. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. The filling is ready. We kept the dough in a warm cloth. Now we are taking it off. To your base and then add your dough. Now open the dough and sprinkle some salt. Now roll the dough like a snake and then cut out some parts. Roll it like a ball and then flatten it out. Now fill this with the chicken filling. Now spread some olives. Now spread some mozzarella cheese. We are shifting it into another tray, which is also greased with oil. Now beat this egg while mixing some water. Now put some black peppers on the side to make it like a fish. Now add some kalonji on top. Now this is out from the oven and just look at this thing.
Now cut the chicken bread and enjoy.